Hey, my name is Andrew Kornstein. I'm with Sennheiser, and today we wanted to talk about the SpeechLine digital wireless and show this off just a little bit. So over here, the first thing I wanted to show you is the 4 transmitters that we have with this. So this is the belt pack transmitter, the handheld transmitter, boundary, and a gooseneck transmitter as well. On the receiving side, single channel receiver or the multi-channel receiver, which is over here. These come in 2 or 4 channel variants. On the multi-channel receiver, I wanted to show you the connectivity just a little bit. You can run all of the Dante flows off of just one cable along with the power and control. There's also a separate port there if you wanted to separate the Dante from the power and control port as well. 5 Dante flows, channel 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then the 5th Dante flow is an auto mix, which is done right there on the receiver itself. You also saw, when I was showing you that, you also saw an analog output, which was the auto mix as well. Another thing, this is the networkable charger. This communicates to our control cockpit software. It integrates with any third-party control system as well, so you can monitor all the battery status, battery health, everything like that remotely from a management system or our control cockpit software. Now, on the wireless side of everything, the technology behind this is DECT-based wireless. Because it is DECT-based, we are able to get an incredibly high channel count. We can customize the output power of this system to as small or as short as a 5-meter radius, and we can turn it all the way up to 100 meters if we want to. So for indoor uses with conference rooms or classrooms, if you really wanted to keep your RF stable and confined in one area, we are able to do that with this system, making sure that the RF doesn't bleed and interfere with the next room over. So this is the technology that we utilize on the wireless side of this. It's a great system. If you have any other questions about it, feel free to check it out at Sennheiser.com.